Hi guys, it's me Casey from Lucia and Casey Story Review. Today, like the last video I said from my mini packet slime, I said I am going to play with this slime in the next video. And this is the video that we're going to be playing with the big slime. Okay? Let's go. So you see the slime, just have to squish it out, and then eventually go out in the LOL's head. Oh, the LOL. I named this one Ava because we don't know what's her name. If you know what's her name, guys, leave a comment section below. And I forgot to also tell you guys that, remember I said that me and Luchi have the same doll, but we actually have different dresses because mine's orange and hers is green. Okay, now let's okay, we're almost out. Okay, we're almost. Just need to get off some slime and okay, there. But there's still a little bit slime, but I know you want to get to this video, so here she is. This is the doll that you're going to be guessing what her name. If you can, leave a comment section below. She has a little mole, if you can see that. Okay, enough with her. Let's place her there inside. Oh, just a little bit of slime. Okay, now we're just going to squeeze all this out. It easily comes out. Excuse me, I'm vlogging. Okay, that's just my mommy again, and her real name is Karen. So there. So here's the slime. It's so cool. You can even squish it. Look, it made sounds. And at the end of the video, I'm going to let you guys hear the farting sound because there's actually farting sounds when you put the can back. The slime back into the can. Okay, now let's play with it. Okay. So, oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, guys, let me just fix the camera first. Okay, there. Just stand there. It's just a little creepy. And then it can make some sounds too. So if you can see the slime. See, and then you can... Okay, this is not working, guys. So yeah. Let me just show you guys now. And then see, the slime's on my hand, and then you can do like this. I eventually do it on the table, but the camera is off my leg. So let me just play with it. So if you can hear the sound, you might not hear it because it's a camera. It might not volume it too much because it's just now some slime. Okay, now let's flip it over like a patty, Krabby Patty, like from SpongeBob. Okay, there, and that's so cool. And you can also stretch it like this. Look. Oh my gosh, it's going so long, guys. Okay, let's stop. And it also can stick to your clothes. Look. No thing. And we can do, and I can show you a 3D because it melts. See, look, when I do a circle. See, it's starting to melt. Okay, guys, I'm going to have dinner, but this is the last one. So it's so squishy. And now we're going to put it back, and I'm going to show you the LOL. There. Okay, now let's put it back because it's dinner time. Because it's night time. And then I'm going to show you guys. It makes some farting sound. See? It makes these sounds. It's not making any fart sounds right now for a reason. I don't know why. Oh, there. Okay. Now let's put it back. Come on. Okay, it's taking its time. So we have to do like this. Okay, there. Now let's place the LOL inside. Have a good life, LOL. Okay, guys, see. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to see more videos from me and Luchi, go to our channel, Luchi and Katie's Story Review, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time, guys. Bye. And I'm the LOL Ava. Bye, guys.